3, 2, 1. Hello, I am Ultimate Steve, and today we are going to fly 2 rockets. That's Ultimate. Okay, it's not focusing. This is Ultimate Jake.
Hi, I subscribed.
Okay,
Oh.
we're going to fly the Calypso on a 3 and the Alpha Streamer on a B64. The Alpha Streamer is a rocket. It's the Alpha 3, but with a streamer instead. And it's a pretty big streamer. It's like 5 feet long. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, and we put a bunch of stuff in the Alpha Streamer's nose cone, and it's like a payload bay. I really hope it doesn't fail.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We found it! Calypso A83. We've had a fin failure, so we'll have to reattach that. And we have been joined by Ultimate Connor, yeah, whatever. 5, 4, 3, 2, Alpha Streamer! 3, 2, Alpha Streamer! It was supposed to be this long, but only was half that long because it didn't deploy. Nevertheless, let's simulate that as if it had really happened. That's what it would have looked like. Ultimate Steve, out.